Now we have to take a second example on Newton-Raphson method. See here, x log x to the base 10 is equal to 1.2 is there. This equation we have to consider as a f of x is equal to x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2. Log to the base 10 means we can't apply the differentiation for this. What is the first iteration here? x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Means we need to find a f dash term. Here x0 they given that is a 2. Okay. That's why first we have to simplify this term in the form of base e. That's why let f of x is equal to x. This log x to the base 10 we have to apply the base rule, that is log x to the base e and log 10 to the base e minus 1.2. Now here 1 divided by log 10 to the base e, that value become 0.4342. X log x to the base e minus 1.2, we have to take it as a f of x. Now after that, after getting this separation of the base 10 value, now you can apply the differentiation for this. Now f dash of the x become 0.4342. X keep as it is. Log x value is 1 by x plus log x to the base e. X become a 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1.2 become a 0. This value get cancelled. 0.4342 plus 0.4342 log x to the base 10. Now after getting that f dash of term, now you have to substitute x0 value for both f of x and f dash of x. Now f of x, that value become 2. If you substitute in the place of x as a 2, the value of this become minus 0.5980. That is less than 0. F dash of x is equal to f dash of minus 2 is equal to 0.73516. This we have to use the calci, and you have to write the values. Now here the first iteration we have to take directly. x0 is to minus 0.5980 divided by 0.73516. After simplification of this, you will get 2.81342. This is a x1 value. Now second iteration you have to do, that is x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Similarly, like this only, you have to take f of 2.81342 value and f dash of 2.81342 value is equal to, use the calci, wherever you are having the x term, substitute 2.81342 and minus 1.2, and you will get the value of 0.06361 and f dash value 0.88333. These two values you have to substitute here, that 2.81342 minus 0.06361 divided by 0.88333. Now x2 value become, simplify this one, you will get 2.741 4, 1. This is a x2 value. Similarly, you have to make it for the x3 and x4. If you get the x3, third iteration, x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Here you have to substitute 2.74141 minus. Now here you have to substitute 2.74141 is equal to, you have to substitute the value in f of x term, you will get 0.0004050. In a f dash also you have to substitute 2.4141 is equal to 0.87207. Here you have to substitute those values 0.04050 divided by 0.87207. Now after simplifying this, you will get 2.74094. This is a x3 value. They asked to find the correct to 3 decimal places. See, here 741 is there, here 740 is there. Means we have to make it another one iteration, that is a fourth one. Fourth iteration become x4 is equal to x3 minus f of x3 divided by f dash of x3. Similarly for this 2.74094, this value you have to substitute f of x, that value become 0.000504784. This become a minus divided by 0.87200. After simplifying, you will get 2.74094. Same value of x3 you will get. Then only you have to stop the iterative method. Here see 2.7409. You will get correct to 3 decimal places. This is an example for Newton-Raphson method. Yeah, these are the some more examples on Newton-Raphson method. See, first one, 3x is equal to cos x plus 1. Apply Newton-Raphson method, the real roots of correct to 3 decimal places. Here, whenever you will get trigonometric terms, keep it in your mind, whenever you will get trigonometric terms in your numerical method, you must and should use degree to radian mode compulsory. Remember, compulsory whenever you will get trigonometric terms in your equation, you must and should use degree to radian mode of your calci. How to get the degree to radian mode? See, here mode option is there. In that mode option, you have to click 3 times. You have to click the 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. After getting a 4 times, you will get degree is a 1, radian is a 2 and grade is a 3. After that you have to press a 2. Then here one small box R will get. That indicates a radian mode. After completion of your example, compulsory you have to come back with the degree mode. Only when you have to use the radian mode, trigonometric terms, cos, sin, tan, terms will come. That time only you have to use radian mode. Otherwise, whatever you will do the problem, that all the examples will get wrong. Now, see, Here they not mentioned the nearer value. That's why our same procedure you have to apply. F of x is equal to, you have to consider 3x minus cos x minus 1. Again you have to substitute 0, 1 like that. Which one is a nearer to 0? That may be a less than value, after that greater than value. In this value, which is a nearer to 0, that value you have to consider as our x naught. Remember, after getting the x naught, again you have to make a minimum of 3 iterations. After that 3 iteration, you will get the 3 digits will get same. If you are not getting 3 after the 3 iterations also, you are not getting a 3 decimal places same, you have to do the 4th iteration. The compulsory in a 4th iteration you will get the same digits of that function. Here also the C, cos x is equal to x e raised to x is there. Means here also you can take f of x is equal to cos x minus x e raised to x. Again, here trigonometric term is there, exponential is there. Here also, whenever you will get the trigonometric term, take degree to radian mode compulsory. Okay. Now, after that, here also you have to take 0, 1, 2, 3. Which value is nearer to 0, that you have to consider as x naught and simplify. Next, now third example is x sin x plus cos x. Here they given x is equal to pi. Pi, if you consider in the form of 3.1412, that value also is in the radian mode. Remember, if you are considering that pi value in the term of degree, that also in the radian mode. That's why the trigonometric terms will come. That time you have to take in the radian mode compulsory. Be careful for solving the numerical method. All the in whole model you should have to take numerical method degree to radian mode. Okay, understood?